family. So I'm getting my back deck knocked out, and we discovered there was a bunch of tall mud piles. I'm like, that's gotta be cicadas. So we didn't know what it was, so I knocked one over, and sure enough, it's cicadas. And here's all of their holes. And then there you go right here. Yep, there goes one right there. And there's tons and tons of piles. There's another one. Looks kind of nasty. Yep, there goes another one. There's another one. Get a zoom in. Let me zoom in on it. Pretty creepy eggs. I don't know how much longer it's gonna be. Look at that. There's another one. And here's another one over here. There's one of those holes. As you can see, there's tons of them up under there.